So we rebooted after a minute of rest, and here we go back to this screen that says, do you really want to reset the unit back to default? This happens a lot in this unit, so I think this is a bug in their programming. Say no. Okay. I'm gonna give it 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zones. Yep, I love it. I give up. I give up. I'm giving up. So yeah, this is the problem with this unit. So, oh, okay, so the zones are back. I'm sure they're all connected, they're all good. I don't want to touch anything right now because I know it's gonna freeze. Okay, so we have 8 zones. I need to change the time because I figured out which one switch, so let's go do that. I know that zone 8 is the bubbler. I want to run that for 20 minutes, so let's do that. No, we're gonna go to programming, right? Yeah, good luck getting to programming. Previous. So this is the problem with this controller. I can sit here for a few minutes trying to move screen and it won't do it. So maybe, yeah, I don't know what to do. I have another one, the exact same model at another home, and it wasn't like this. I think this one's just a defect, possibly. But it's definitely frustrating. The best thing I can do right now is probably maybe even go into a zone. Maybe the best thing right now is just to reset it or just give up. Give up. Call support, show them the video, and get the whole thing replaced. It works well under the wireless, but without wireless controller, it just doesn't seem to work. The basic of it is the controller is unresponsive, even though you can see this being pressed. Yeah, I can't erase that. I can't put new things in. Oh, there it goes. It's almost like it's running out of memory or CPU speed or something, but there you go. That's awesome. Love it. Stuck at another screen while trying to change his name back, and now I rebooted it. I let it rest for over 1 minute. I rebooted it back, and now all my zones are missing. So it's so weird. And of course, the screen is unresponsive. Even if I try to press a little bit further to it. Yeah. Previous. Yeah, nothing really works. So I don't know. It's so frustrating that I might as well replace it. Not sure what to do here. I'll have to reset it again.